Hey you all, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be working on this antique storage or blanket chest. You can see it's all stained with this beautiful carvings on the trim from the sides to the front. This is the top. It has some stains, water stains, some marks that are clearly visible. So instead of sanding and painting or restoring it, I will be doing something different today. This is the inside. You can see it's beautifully constructed, made out of solid wood, and this is how it looks like, and it is on original casters as well. So I am going to paint, and this is a muted blue color that I decided to do one coat of it because we are going to be doing some decoupage and making it pretty again. So the decoupage paper is blue in color. So in order to give that background, I decided to do the blue color instead of keeping it all brown. So here is the paper. You see it is a blue in color with gorgeous florals on this. I took it out of the packaging and you can see those folding lines on it. So I am going to be using my steamer to get rid of those lines before we apply it on the blanket chest. So we will be using today 4 sheets in total to cover this entire blanket chest, and I am going to be ironing out all the 4 sheets and get rid of those folding lines, and you can see how it looks now after we steam it out. So let's begin to work and put this on this blanket chest that has been painted in one coat of fusion mineral paint color in blue. So I'm going to be using the decoupage gel in matte. You can see it's pretty thick, and I'm going to be using a simple dollar store brush to apply one coat of the decoupage gel. So I am going to cover the entire front in one coat of this gel, and once I have put it, I am going to apply the decoupage paper. So my one coat is done, and now I'm going to take the sheet and put it on the gel. I'm going to align it very carefully so it starts from where I have painted, and I will move it down to remove any air bubbles. You can see I'm taking it out and putting it back. So the best part about this gel is that you can rework. It doesn't stick immediately. I'm using this shrink wrap because it is gentle on the decoupage fiber paper. So it is almost like the drying sheets that we use in our laundry. The texture is similar to that. So the shrink wrap or any plastics works very gently on it. So I'm just using, pressing it down to release any air pockets in it. It just flattens out and smoothly helps in applying the decoupage paper. So now I am cutting out a small trim to align it on the front because we ran short of some of the decoupage papers. So once the sheet is done, I am going to apply some of the gel because it dried out, and I'm going to put that strip to completely cover the front. So here it is. I applied it and you can see it looks so neat and perfect. Now we will be adding the decoupage paper on the top since we are applying it on all the four sides. So I am going to first measure the decoupage paper and cut it out so that it fits right into the portion on the top. We are not covering the woods on the side because it has a beautiful carving and I want to keep that as is. So the paper is going in the center on the top. So I'm going to cut this out and then apply using the decoupage gel. So I applied one layer of the decoupage gel and then put the paper on top of it. Again, I'll be using the plastic, the shrink wrap, to press it down and fit into it, release any air bubbles so that it comes out neat and it looks very natural. You can see how pretty it looks. It just aligns beautifully into the space there, and it looks so perfect. For the inside, I'm using another decoupage fiber paper, which is feathers in the glow. You can see it's dark brown in color. It has folding lines. So I am going to again use my steamer and the same process of removing those lines. When we put it on the furniture, we don't want to see those folded lines. So with the steamer you can take those out and it looks like a beautiful big canvas sheet. It's ready, so we are going to apply. Now I am applying the decoupage gel onto the wood directly. I did not paint it. The reason being it's brown in color and our decoupage fiber paper is brown too. So that is going to work as a background for the decoupage paper. So I will apply one coat of the gel and then I will cut out the decoupage paper and I'm going to fit it inside this space and use the same process of the plastic wrap and just apply it. And here is the final look of the inside. You can see how gorgeous it looks, all blended in browns, and outside is all the beautiful French blue on the front, on the top, and the side with original casters. And you can see how beautiful it turned out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any question, you can put it in the comments and we'll be happy to answer, and you can order the supplies from the links below. Thank you so much for watching.